Alright, so let's check out Solana against the US dollar, and then we'll check out the Bitcoin pair. So let me remove these lines to make it a little bit clearer. So in the last video we made, we outlined this macro fib that we've got down here with the golden pocket, or the 618, around about 112. So unfortunately Solana is still below the 618. We outlined that we're very possible to get a bounce at the bottom of this channel and then come up to the top of this channel around about the 618, which is at 112 right now. So we estimated a 23% move at least to the 618. So far we have come up about 10%, so we've made it halfway up the channel. We're still stuck right in the middle of this channel, so there's nothing to get overly bullish or bearish about. If I was going to be putting in a long, I would like to get above the 618 here and break out of this resistance box. So no volume really stepping in. I have a selling volume or buying volume. It's very mundane right now. The RSI is slowly curling up, which is a good sign. There are a lot of other altcoins which are doing a little bit worse than Solana. You can see from the bottom we've pumped up approximately 22%, so it's not been too bad. On the Sol BTC pair, let's see. Okay, if I draw my fib from top to bottom, you can still see no matter which way I draw this, I can put it here to the top of this wick over here, or even the top up here. We're still not above the 236 over here. So Solana against Bitcoin is not looking too great right now. We're below the 100-day moving average on both the BTC and USD pair, so we're going to need to see what happens. So on the USD pair, what I think most people are looking at is this big channel here. So just to reiterate one more time, we're going sideways and down in this channel. There's really nothing to be bullish about. Now, a lot of people are going to get out of bed if Solana comes up to the 110 level. I see this every time. It happens with Bitcoin, it happens with the SPY, total market cap, and all the altcoins. But I would just like to remind you that until we break above the 618 on 112 here, we can't be bullish in the short term for Solana. Now, Solana is one of my favorite projects in the long term, don't get me wrong, but as a trader we've just got to look at the chart and play it day by day. So what I see happening for Sol is probably another 10-15% move up to the 618 here, and then we'll have to see if we get rejected from here. If we do get rejected from here, hit this box and start falling over, then potentially we will put in a short, either a short on the Sol USD pair or potentially a long against the Bitcoin one. So we'll have to see what happens, but on the same accord as well, if we do eventually get above this 618, about 112, come up, close the daily candle above the resistance here, and start heading off to the races, then we can definitely put in a long as well. But right now everything is in decision time. We need to see what the market's saying. Once again, we are below the 200-day moving average, and Solana doesn't even have a 200-week moving average. Let's see if the 100-day says anything else. 100-day is curling over as well. So yeah, just one more time, yeah, we're in the middle of the channel. We need to see what happens. So once again, none of this is financial advice, all just my opinions on the market. You've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.